Welcome back to part 2 of turning my IKEA shelf into a 3D printed server rack. After many hours watching Fusion 360 tutorials on YouTube, I'm finally feeling a bit more confident with the design. I remeasured everything again and decided to go for a custom-sized server rack so I can have more space to mess with compared to a 10-inch mini rack. To do that, I'll need side panels on both sides of the shelf. I started by disassembling the middle shelf and noticed the middle shelf is secured using simple clips on both sides that lock into the frame. I really like this design. It's clean, simple, and surprisingly secure. So I decided to reuse this clip mechanism in my own design. After a lot of trial and error, I came up with a design that builds around those clips. Here's my terrible sketch. I also made a cardboard prototype to visualize better on the idea. At the top of the panel, I added a small hook. This allows me to design a new clip with an extra lip at the bottom, so it can lock both the middle shelf and the side panel together. The bottom section uses a similar idea, which means no screws, no drilling, and no ugly fixes. Because of the P1S build size, I can't print the panels in one piece. So each side will be split into 4 smaller panels, which I'll join together after printing. To do that, I designed a simple interlocking joint. So once all 4 pieces are printed, they can slot together and clip straight onto the shelf. Next step is to model all of this properly in Fusion 360 and start testing whether this idea actually works. Follow along to see how it turns out.